You guys, something interesting just happened recently. So Google created an AI tool. Yes, you heard that right. And what this AI tool does is to do things like brand profiling, generate campaign ideas, and create assets for your social media platforms for you by simply pasting the URL of your business website on it. And just very few people are aware of this AI tool. And if you're amongst the early people that get to know about this, you can actually make money with it. And I'm going to share with you the ways you can actually make money with this AI tool as fast as you can before every other person gets to learn about it. So if you're interested, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money online, remote jobs, and every other thing in between. So if it's something you're interested in, please join our growing community. So now that you have done that, let's go ahead with the video. The first way you're going to make money with this tool is by creating AI-powered brand package. What it means is that you can use this tool to be a content strategist and social media assistant, where you can help businesses with managing the social media platforms, digital marketing activities of their businesses. Because if you use this tool to run through the websites of these businesses to learn more about the language, the tone, their branding, and everything, it will help you to tailor whatever social media posts you're making to suit the brand so people can understand better, and it will attract people that are interested in that type of brand to you so that you can start converting. Because to be honest, it's not just about posting, it's about converting the people that come to see what you have posted. That is the most important thing. So that is exactly what this tool does for you. And you can offer this service to people that don't really know how to go about this, and then you can make money. On the average, you can make anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour rendering this service as a content strategist and social media manager or assistant for businesses. So the second thing you can do to make money with this tool is to create AI marketing agency, where you are an entrepreneur that help businesses, like you have your own business and you help businesses to take care of them when it comes to branding, marketing, and social media presence. So this tool will help you do that, because with this you can understand better what the client is doing, to give you the idea about what they actually need. Because if they're going to be hiring your agency, it means they're going to leave everything for you to do so they can get the desired result. So with this tool, you can understand better what the brand wants and give them exactly what that's needed for them to be able to maximize profits, and you can make money doing this. As an agency, you can get contracts that can worth $2,000 to $5,000 a month to take care of this for just one business. So imagine if you're able to get a lot of businesses, and of course you should be very good for a lot of businesses to come to you, you'll be making tons of money every month. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to consider this. Now, the third thing you can do to make money with this is to teach businesses or individuals about how to use this tool to make money. Like, a lot of people would want to do things by themselves and they don't really know how to go about it. It's your responsibility to teach them. You can teach them by packaging the way this AI tool works in things like courses that you can sell to people, or you can teach them one-on-one like a coach or a consultant about how to use this tool. That way you're going to make money. A lot of coaches make a lot of money, and the best part is you make more money when you're trading your time one-on-one, like with an individual, rather than when you're teaching a group of people. So this is something you may want to consider. And for you to be able to pull this off, you must understand this tool very well to understand and be able to teach someone else. So that's another thing you have to consider. Now, the fourth thing you have to consider to make money with this tool is by using it to scale your own business. Yes, if you're a business owner and you want to scale your own business, then you can use this tool. Now, if you're going to be using this tool to offer services, your own business is offering that service. So you can actually use this tool to scale that business so that it will reach a wider audience. What it means is that as an individual, you can use it on your own business to run through, to understand what you are actually doing, to understand the language you want your brand to be speaking, the tone, how people will perceive your brand, and stuff like that. So with this tool, and that way you can know how to show people, like your targeted audience, what you want them to learn about your business. So that is another thing you have to bear in mind. And if you're reaching a wider audience of people that are actually interested in what you do, you're going to be scaling your business. So if you're already a business owner, make sure to take advantage of this tool to be able to scale your business and get the right people to come and patronize your product or your service. So that's another thing you have to do to make money using this tool. So before I forget, the name of the tool is Pomelli. Now, but before I continue with other ways you can make money with this tool. If you're seeing value so far, please don't fail to like, subscribe to our channel. That's the only way you can support us for the free information we are giving. And I really appreciate all of you that have been supporting so far. And if you're looking to make a job application, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that has everything you need. It is ATS friendly. All you have to do is just customize this for each job role you want to apply to, and you can see and check them out with the link in the description of this video. So moving on, the next way you can actually make money is to create content around this tool. You can like carve out a niche that you can be talking about this tool online, because as an AI tool, it has come to stay. And when it comes to marketing is something that is very much in need and in demand. So it's not something that can fade away any moment soon. So you have to study this tool very well and create content around it, where you teach people how to use the tool, what the tool can do, and the limitation and all those kind of stuff, so that you can actually make money creating content about this tool. And you can post your content on places like TikTok and Instagram and all those stuff. And because it's a new tool that is not widely known, people are curious. They want to know, so they want to learn about it, they want to watch your videos, they want to engage, ask questions and stuff like that. So it's another way for you to make money using this tool. And the last way you want to make money is using it to partner with local businesses in your vicinity. Most times people that have small businesses in local areas don't really understand how social media work. They don't even understand the need for them to be online. So it is now your duty to go and talk to them, partner with them, tell them, look, I can handle everything. Even if it comes to branding, you can give them a brand if they don't have one. You can help them get a website by linking them to people that you know that can actually help that. And then once they have gotten the website, you can use the URL of the website and go to this Pomelli website or AI tool to understand better and help them with scaling the business, improving their social media platforms, and generating campaigns, ideas and stuff like that, so that they can get more customers to come and buy. So most times these local businesses, they don't really understand the need for them to be online. It is now your duty to be able to teach them what they need to know and the need for them to be online. And by partnering with them, of course, they're going to pay you to do this job. So if it's something you're interested in, please do that by checking out Pomelli. It's important for me to mention that at the moment, because it's a new tool, it is not available in all countries, but it's mostly available in English-speaking countries like the US, the UK, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. So if you're in any of these places, you should leverage the use of this AI tool. Hopefully over time to be made available to every other place around the world, so that everybody can take advantage of it. And you guys know, when it comes to Google, just best believe that it's going to have a free package. Like, you don't have to pay for everything. So that is the good part about this. So if you learned something new in this video, please don't fail to give us a thumbs up by liking this video, subscribing to our channel to be part of our growing community. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.